In this video, we're taking a closer look at how to add a Google Calendar to our content. Let's start by creating a new playlist. Let's call this Google Calendar. Let's open the playlist. Let's go to Google Calendar. We're going to add a calendar using an account we've already created. In this account, we have added 3 calendars. In this example, we're going to share and use the calendar called Meeting Room 2. To do that, let's click the 3 dots, then Settings and Sharing. First, we're going to find Access Permissions for Events, where we're going to turn on Make Available to Public. And let's confirm that. Then we're going to find Integrate Calendar, and then click Customize. On this page, there are a bunch of settings for how the Google Calendar is going to look when we integrate it into our digital signage. In this example, we're going to make the calendar as clean as possible and remove all information that we don't need. The size can be left as is, but if we were building a slide where the calendar shouldn't take up the whole area of the slide, we'd be able to set a specific width and height to accommodate that. We can also change the background color, but in this example, we'll stick with the default white. Let's remove the border. Let's change the default view to week. Let's change the week starts on to Monday. We can choose other languages and a time zone, but we're not doing that in this example. Lastly, we can toggle calendars on and off, depending on what calendars we want to have displayed in our content. And we can change the color of the events seen in the calendar. When we've made our changes, we're going to copy the URL from the embed code. Note that we only need the true URL, starting from HTTPS and ending with the last quotation mark. Now that we have designed and shared our calendar, we can move back to the editor. We find the website plugin at the top. Let's maximize the plugin. Then paste the URL from Google Calendar. In this example, we're also going to turn on Force Cache Bursting and refresh periodically. And let's preview the content. The first thing that we notice is the size of the event. Let's go back to the editor, and let's change the zoom level to 150%. The zoom level applies only to the content and not to the plugin itself. It's similar to changing the font size on a smart device to be able to better view texts, emails, and so forth. Let's preview it again. This looks better. Having added the Google Calendar, adding events, changing events, or removing events in Google Calendar will automatically update the events in our content. One last thing to pay attention to is the slide duration. Let's say we want to display only the Google Calendar, meaning we only need 1 slide. Then open Slide Settings and turn Play this slide forever on. Thanks for watching.